How to use TextNow without Wi-Fi. First of all, open the Play Store or App Store on your device and search for TextNow. Make sure to select the official TextNow app. Once installed, open the TextNow app and log in with your account. Next, look for the free coverage option in the menu and tap on it. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up free calling and texting over Sprint's nationwide network. This feature allows you to make unlimited calls and send text without Wi-Fi, keeping you connected even when internet access is unavailable. Keep in mind that internet data may not be included, but certain apps like Google Voice, Google Hangouts, or iMessage on iPhone can still work over mobile data. This method is perfect for anyone who wants a second phone line, elderly users who don't want to rely on other services, or anyone needing free calling or texting without Wi-Fi. Now you know how to use TextNow without Wi-Fi. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.